Depending on the type of structure, single or double rollers, and the height of partition support position. Ebunge partition wall systems are labeled in different ways. There are also differences in labeling and some applied solutions resulting from a variety of commercial offers by manufacturers of partition wall systems. Basically, we can distinguish three major support systems of partition walls: a structure with Z-shaped section welding, without steel truss; a structure with steel truss welding; a structure with track connect on the wooden beam or steel beam directly.